guys, first of all, let me start off with a warning. I'm in a chatty mood today. Like, I'm in a super chatty mood. I haven't done like a chatty video in a hot minute. So right now I'm like, I want to talk to the SJ fam. So yes, if you're triggered easily by that, then you can click out of this video. And secondly, this is going to be a massive haul with everything that I bought with my own goddamn money. So again, if you're someone who gets triggered easily by someone buying something that they like with their own money, again, you can click out. You don't want comments like, oh, that's sponsored, or you're a sellout, or you know, you could have spent that money on something better, or why do you need so much stuff for? We really do not require that here. So yes, with that being said, let's just move on to the fashion haul. I think I've not done a fashion haul in a while, like in a long while, and I'm not going to be doing a try on fashion haul simply because I want to do a lookbook, and a lot of pieces from this haul are going to go into the lookbook, so I want to save that for the lookbook, that effect for the lookbook. So I'm not going to include the try on here. So yeah, I think I kind of stopped doing fashion related videos a while back because again, I think that comments related to my body, my shape and everything got to me. Like slightly, I do think down the line that there's somewhere like got to me, but then I was like, no one cares, Shreya, no one cares. Like there are always gonna be some people who are gonna attack you or say stuff about you without knowing you, knowing your journey and what you do, what you don't do. Like every single day I get comments like, why don't you spend the money that you spend on your makeup, on gym or something? And like they don't even know that I do work out every single day. And at the end of the day, it's fitness what matters. If you're fit, it doesn't matter if you're a size 0, a size 10 or a size 20. You do you. So yes, without any further ado, I think I already said this, but yes, without any further ado, let's jump into the haul. Alright, so the first thing I want to show is this top right here. So I did shop some things of Jabong. Jabong was having this 3 for 9.99 kind of a sale where you could get 3 pieces for 9.99. But I do want to say that Jabong's taxes are like crazy. They charge so much taxes that you just feel like, whoa bro, I thought I'm gonna get one thing for 333, but you end up paying like 433, so it's like added 100 rupees. So you should keep that in mind when you're shopping from Jabong, that the taxes are gonna add it to a lot more than what you originally thought. And this was like a 2 AM binge shopping because I was awake at 2 AM, and then I get this notification from Jabong for this limited time sale which went on for 3 more days. But yeah, a limited time sale, and I'm like, whoa, I need these pieces in my life. But yes, nonetheless, this is a very comfy top. This is from Calgary. I don't know if that brand is available in stores or not, but yes, this is from Calgary. It's a cotton top and it's very easy breezy, very flowing, and it has this crisscross pattern. I think I'm a little late to this whole crisscross game because people have been doing it like I think for a year now. But I like this top because this is like, you can actually tighten it up. With a lot of tops, it's like this deep and goes down till here, and I'm personally not so comfortable with that kind of a style. I want something I can control. I like this top because it's a little customizable. If I want, I can open it up, or if I want, I can keep it tightened up. So this crisscross does go down all the way to your chest. So if you want to keep it open, you can totally do that. It's just that I am not very comfortable with that, so I choose the other route, but it still looks super cute. So I have worn it like overall thrice, I feel, with jeans, with skirt, with the dungaree, and I think it looks cute with every single thing, and I just love the material. It's really nice. It's really nice. Alright, so from this sale itself, I got another top, and I really love the brand Sassafras. It's actually a very good brand. They have really amazing clothing pieces. So I got this mustard top which has this frill on the front part, and I actually I started buying tops thinking that, oh, I'm gonna, like, my viewfinder or my camera is gonna have me till here or whatever. So let me get clothes which have like something that's here or on the sleeve, or just the details should be somewhere that's like it's visible on the camera. It's crazy how I started to shop like from the viewpoint of YouTube. So yeah, I got this top. It's really cute. I love the color. It's very different than what I generally wear. I'm generally a white, black, blue person. So I really wanted to venture into the territory of colors. So it's a very pretty color. Looks very formalish, so it's great for my meetings and everything as well. And it's a full sleeve top. So that's again a great plus point because we are stepping into winters. I did shop a lot of these pieces with winters in mind. But then there were some offers which I was like, I cannot resist these. So let's just purchase these. And I'll wear these in the summer because let's be real, we have way more summers than we have winters. Next up, I got this satin top which I wore in my fall lookbook as well. So this is what it looks like. Again, satin is really in, and it's been in for a while now. So again, this was from the 3 for 999 sale. Although it does come with its own belt, which I don't know where it is, which is supposed to go right here. So it is supposed to cinch on your waist, but I don't really like how that looks on me personally. On me personally, Empire lines work the best. Something that cinches on my waist kind of makes me look weirdish. So that's why I wore this with a skirt, like a high-waisted skirt and everything. And yes, it does have its tag on. A very funny story about me, like if I'm wearing something for a video or for lookbooks or for just photographs, I wouldn't remove the tag. I only remove the tag when I'm actually wearing it, because then it gives me the sense that I'm wearing a new piece for this occasion. So yes, I am a weird person. Welcome to my world. Then we have this beautiful dusty rose color, which again I wore in my lookbook. So this again is from Sassafras. If you are someone who loves like formal clothes with nice clean cuts and clean, just like a lot of detailing, but like clean detailing, minimalistic detailing, do check out Sassafras. They have amazing stuff, and this is not spawn. I paid for everything by myself. So yes, let's just get that out of the way again. So this is how it looks like. The collar is supposed to be shut so that you have like the nice keyhole right here, and the collar has like frill detailings, which I love. Again, this I wore in my lookbook, and the sleeves also have like button detailings right here, which I love. I love the texture of the clothes. I love the color. I love everything about this piece. This again is very versatile. I wore it with a skirt. I love to wear skirts with like formalish tops because I just think it adds a little bit of nice panache to it. But of course, you can wear it with pants, jeans, jeggings, whatever you prefer. Then I got this mint green top, which I absolutely love. The color is beautiful, and it has cut work on the bottom. Like when I got this, I was like, damn it, they don't have anything on the top or on the sleeve. Shit, how will I wear it for YouTube videos? And then I realized, Shreya, there is a life outside YouTube. You can like wear it there, maybe, I don't know. So yeah, it's a very beautiful piece. I love the color. It has a button detailing at the back, so it has a keyhole right there on the back, which again I love. The cutwork is really cute as well. It has flowers and everything going down there, which is really cute. Then next I got this top from Raindrops, which is again another brand on Jabong. So it's just a striped top with bell sleeves. Again, I wore this out. So it has bell sleeves right here, and it has this cute pair of eyes, like sequence patchwork right here. So many of you guys were asking me, where did I get this from? Where did I get this from? Jabong. Do try out Jabong, Jabong, and try out the like lesser known brand. Like I know a lot of guys go on to Jabong and directly go to Dorothy Perkins, Next, Forever 21 and stuff like that. But if you really want to get nice budget options which are still really cute, you should definitely check out the more unknown brands like Calgary, like Sassafras, Raindrop. I even like the brand Vivine, but somehow their sizing, it just doesn't suit my body type. So everything that I got from Vivine, Vivine, I don't know if that's how it's supposed to be said, but Vivine, I had to return it because it just did not do it for my body type. But all of these clothes like Sassafras, if you have a body type like me, you're gonna love Sassafras because the shape and the cut and everything, beautiful, just fits on so beautifully, complements the body like no one else. So yes, again I wore this out, loved it. Then the last stuff I want to show you, again I wore it in my fall lookbook. It's so pretty. Like as soon as I saw it, I was like, I need to have this in my life because it's just so cute. So it's this white top with flowers on the sleeves, and these flowers are like 3D flowers. So this is not a print, it's a flower, like it is a material, like clothing material. I think it's a for chiffon. So clothing material which has like flower cutouts, and then they're like embroidered onto the sleeves, which I thought was so super cute. I really like this one as well. So with that, I finished everything from Jabong. I did return one piece, the only lower that I got from Jabong, and I had to return it because it was like, yeah, Choti Ganga ke kinare mein kuda this. It literally looked so different on the website. Like when I got it, I was so shocked. I was like, really? This is what expectations versus reality is. Then I went a little crazy at H&M. A little, just a little, not much, just a little teensy bit. So yeah, I went a little crazy at H&M and I bought a lot of stuff. So today morning I was in Circuit and I just like happened to drop by the H&M store and I was like, oh girl, some amazing deals, up to 75% off, let's purchase. And then I came back home and my mom was like, we need to go to CP for some work. Again, somehow I just ended up in H&M and I was like, Okay, then H&M, take my money, take all of it. You don't need to collaborate with me. It's all right. Like, I don't know if it's just me, but I just feel like a lot of mainstream brands, the ones that are not concentrated towards like more curvier and plus size women, they just collaborate with that one figure type. Not that I'm throwing shade at anyone. I'm just saying that everyone needs to be a little bit more inclusive when it comes to body and sizes and everything, colors, like every little thing. You need to be more inclusive. You can't just think that everyone will belong to that same category. There are different categories of women, and I do see that from all perspectives. Like if they're not collaborating with size 0, then they should start doing that as well. Like I think mostly all of the brands like to collaborate with the size 2 or 4, like the sizes on whom clothes would look good, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, anyway, let's just keep that aside. Let's just go on to the haul, because then people are like, oh, you be salty. I'm not salty, I'm just stating something. I still purchased from H&M. I could have skipped it and saved my wallet some damage, but I still shopped. So yes, I'm gonna show you the stuff that I got from Saket first, so that I have it like in order. So the first thing that I got from Saket were some jeans, because my jeans, like, so long story short, let me just be a little bit more chatty. So my almirah was literally coming down on me. There was so much stuff in my almirah. I had so many clothes that I literally couldn't even see my clothes any longer. So before Diwali, my mom was like, this is not happening. You have to clean all of this up. So I did end up like just throwing away a lot of clothes, like a lot. So my almirah now is manageable. It looks like how an almirah should look like managed and neat. But that, you know how when you get very used to the mess, you're just like, neatness doesn't like cut it for me. So I had to get all of this to make my almirah more messy now. That's what my mom said, like jagah khali kari nahi, bharne ka saman pehle le aayi ho. That's literally what she said. So yeah, I bought 2 pair of jeans because I literally just took out all of my jeans. Some of them I wore till they tore apart, and I can't wear them anymore now, sadly, because they were so comfy. And it's so hard to find jeans for my body type, because I'm not saying that my waist is narrow, I'm an hourglass, but it's way more narrower than what my thighs are. So something that would fit on my thighs wouldn't fit really nicely on my waist, something that fits my waist doesn't fit my thigh, and then there are height issues. Ugh, so many issues, and I really don't like going to a tailor. It's like, if I'm paying so much, I might as well get something that fits me. So otherwise I can get them stitched anyway if I have to go to a tailor, because I just don't feel comfortable. Like, I don't know if it's just me again, I just don't feel comfortable when a tailor is measuring me up. Like, the tailor could have like zero intentions, and I still would find it easy the way a tailor measures you up. I don't know how you feel about it. Let me know in the comment section. I would love to chat about it. Anyway, I got 2 jeans, and these were like really affordable, like for jeans standard, okay? Affordability means different things to different people. Please do not come for me for that. So alright. So these are for 699 or 700 rupees effectively. There is no GST on these jeans. By that I mean their GST is included in the price, which is something I like about H&M. Their prices are included in the taxes. So when you are looking at an MRP, that is the MRP. You're not gonna be like, oh, I thought this was 700 and somehow I'm paying 850 for these. So yeah, you're not gonna have those moments. So I got 2 of the same type of jeans. One is in a black color and the other is a dark blue. I love me some dark blue jeans. So these are the skinny ankle regular waist jeans, because I do not like regular jeans or like boot cut jean or anything of that sort. For my body type, I feel like skinny ankle and regular waist suits me the best. Low waist, no. I don't want my butt crack to be showing. No, just no. And high waist, I can go for them, but just right now I did not want to go for them. So yes, I got 2 of the jeans, which I'm so excited to finally have some more jeans in my life, because I'm literally running on 0 jeans right now. I'm not even kidding you. Alright, so next up, I got this dress which I found really pretty. And so right now, I can say right now because I literally shopped these today. Like, you're gonna be seeing this video on Wednesday. I shopped it on Tuesday. So yeah, right now H&M is having this crazy section of clothes which are on up to 75% off. Totally check out, totally worth it, because there's some pieces which are beautiful, which are awesome. Just that I had some size issues with them, but of course if you have a different size, you're gonna get them. So Saket, CP, all of them have like really nice section, huge sections of sales and sales. And I love me some good discounts. Like, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, like I don't think I end up buying a lot of things full price, because I just feel I can't get it in discount anyway. Like, no. You can call me chindi for that, you really can, but somehow I just wait for sales, and now I've just developed that habit. I cannot shop until there is some offer going on. That is just me. I just cannot. I feel like that's not worth my money. I cannot come to terms with the fact that I'm spending 4,000 on a dress. Like, for the matter, this dress that I'm talking about was for 2,699 or 2,700, and I got it for 850. And in 850, I'm like, yes. But if I would have bought it for 2,700, I just couldn't have bought it. That's just me being completely honest, and especially on H&M. No, you're supposed to be a high street fashion brand, not you. Just. No, that's just me. Again, you can have a different feelings about that. But this girl loves some Sarojini. This girl loves some Karol Bagh. So yeah, I've gotten into the habit of like, just no. I'm just a really, for clothes, I feel like, because I don't end up wearing them so often, spending like 4,000, 5,000 on one dress, which I can wear like 4 times. That's why I can buy luxury bags but not luxury clothes, because in bags you can like carry them 10,000 times, but with clothes it's like after a point of time you're gonna get bored. It's not that, oh, people are gonna say I repeated it. You can obviously repeat it. You have bought it, you have a washing machine, just repeat it, but still you're gonna get bored yourself. So I'm talking too much, right? Anyway, getting into the dress. So this is a cold shoulder dress. Very pretty. It has this mesh detailing right here, mesh embroidery, which I feel is so beautiful. I think these are Sakuras. I might be wrong. They might not even think that they want to embroider on Sakuras, but it looks like Sakuras. And then again, as I told you guys, it's a cold shoulder, so it has a sleeve right here. Perfect for people who have Sola Kadola like me, so that you're wearing a without sleeve, but you're still hiding all of that flab right here. So yeah, got this dress. It's a beautiful dress, goes on very flowy down there, so looks very pretty on, although I didn't try anything. That's something my mom hates about me. I don't try clothes when I'm buying them. I'm just like, I'm gonna wing with it, I'm gonna make it work. And she's just like, you can't make something that's 20 inches smaller to you work. But I somehow just end up making it work. Next up, I got this sweatshirt or jersey or something of that sort. This was for 4,000 rupees originally. Yes, 4,000 rupees. I got it on sale for 1,500, which I think was a pretty good price point. I don't think it would have gone down like more lower than that. And this was, I think, the last piece remaining. So it looks like a normal white jersey until you go to the sleeves, which are boot sleeves, like, I don't know, bell sleeves, and they're completely embroidered, and they're so pretty, like so pretty, like they're embroidered all over, and it's on both of the sleeves. So the jersey or the sweatshirt in itself is plain, but the sleeves just so pretty, and it's like a cropped sweatshirt, so you have kind of frayed ends right here. So with the high-waisted jeans or high-waisted jeggings, so good, like an everyday outfit, literally everyday outfit. That's me every single day. White sweatshirt, jeans, done. Then I got this t-shirt. I literally got this for home. I might wear it out once or twice. The cycle of clothes in India: outside, home, a night suit, Holi, pocha. I think I'm gonna follow that with this one. But yes, I got this for 450, originally for 800. So it just says woke up fabulous, and it's a very soft cotton material. I love H&M's cotton material because it's just so soft, so breathable. So it's just me, okay? So I think I can wear it for a couple of days in November. When I wear this, I wear a leather jacket, done. So again, I'm not gonna say too much. I'm gonna wait for my video, like my lookbook, to come out. I don't think I'm gonna include this particular piece in the lookbook, but this was a fabulous find. Then I also got this case for my mum because she uses this phone. It's just a marble print case. It wasn't available in my phone size. As if just the clothing section wasn't available. Even phone cases aren't available in my size. I currently use a 7 Plus, which I hope to upgrade to 10 soon. I don't think I can soon, but I do plan to upgrade soon. So she uses this phone, so I was like, I'll just get it for her. Couldn't find it in my size, was for 250 rupees. I think that's a fabulous price, because literally you get cases for 250 in Gafar also, so why not just buy it from H&M. The last thing that I got from Saket were these flats. These were the last pieces left in Saket, but in CP I saw them in like literally everywhere. So originally these were for 1,000 rupees, but I got it for 450, which again I feel is a great price. So these, the top is I think a velvet suede kind of a material, and the color is so pretty, perfect for winters because they're like shoes but not so, you know, like wrapped around. I feel suffocated in shoes, like I'm not even kidding you, like in shoes, socks, I feel suffocated. So for me personally, this is a great pair of shoes. You can again just check them out in the CP store. I am pretty sure you will find a size because I saw them like lying all around in Sake. These were the last pieces, and this was available in my size, like my size. Last piece I was just like, grab it. My size is one of the most common sizes in footwear, so I didn't even think twice. I was just like, grab it. Moving on to the H&M CP haul, I'm just gonna show you the stuff that I got from CP. I do believe they have some common pieces in Saket and CP, but mostly the collections that I saw in both of the places were totally different, which is a good thing, which is always a good thing, because otherwise you just end up going to this one store because you don't feel like checking out the other stores. You always think that, oh, I'm gonna get everything here, might as well just go here and not go the other place. So I'm just gonna show you with something that I'm most excited about. Like this, I saw it and I fell in love. I was like, I'm getting this, and it was like on a good offer as well. It's this jacket. It was originally for 4,500. I got it for 2,000, which is like yay. So this is just this denim jacket, a very cool denim jacket which is lined with fur on the inside, faux fur, and then it also has like a faux fur detachable collar. And I wore it and I was like, ooh, I'm cozy and toasty, just let me be. And plus it's denim from the outside, so you can still be cool and lit all the time but still be warm and toasty on the inside. So I got this piece which I freaking love. Then I got a couple of things that are kind of meant for the summertime. I'm gonna see if I can still wear it because it's not so cold in Delhi right now. Like we have that nice fall weather where it's cold in the morning and in the afternoon. We just don't have autumnal leaves everywhere, but it's kind of like hot fall would feel like. So this is just a jersey dress. It was originally for 1,800. I got it for 500. It just says pretty and it says 93 for some weird reason. So this is what it looks like. The top is black, but it also has like mesh. So it's very athleisure kind of a feel to it. So it has mesh right here, like you can see. And I really liked it. This is like pretty huge, but that's how these kind of tops are supposed to be. So I can't wait to wear this. I can rock it in the summertime, if not in the winter time. The next piece that I got, again, it is kind of more like a summer piece. It is completely mesh. Kind of reminds me of what I can wear in Goa if I ever go to Goa in my 22 years of existence. I've never been to Goa. So yeah, this is like a mesh dress. This was originally for 1,800 again, and I got it for 750. So this is what it looks like. It's a blue mesh and it just has a nice cream over here and it just goes down like this. So I see this working with a crop top or a bikini top if you're on a beach with shorts, and just throw this on top of that. Such a cute outfit. So yeah, I got this from the sale section. Then I got this velvet sale which wasn't on a discount, but it just looked very sexy. So this was for 800 and I got it for 800. So this is what it looks like. It's a very beautiful cobalt midnight blue, yeah, midnight blue, and as I said, it's in a crushed satin texture. It goes on to be like a skated dress right here, and the back is really pretty as well. Like it's a very deep V back, which I loved. So yes, we have that dress with me right here. Cannot wait to style it and wear it. Then I got this sweatshirt. This was originally for 12.99. I do believe I got it on a 50% off. So it would have costed me about 650 rupees, and it's in a beautiful blush pink kind of a color. I love blush pink. I really do love blush pink. And it's just a plain normal sweatshirt because I really do love basic pieces as well. I do try to get more quirkier and fun pieces these days because my style is too basic. So yeah, but I still love me some basics which I can dress up whenever I want to. So I got that. Then I got some more tops because I love tops. So I got this shirt, a white shirt, and I got it for 450 rupees. And I was so astonished. So this one missed the tag. So I just went on the counter. I was like, how much is this for? And he's like, 450, ma'am. I was like, bill me. Because white shirts are somehow really expensive, and I love me some white shirts. I can wear my white shirts with so many things. So I love to have like different materials in white shirt. Like I have a linen shirt, then I have a sheer shirt. So I love white shirts. So this is just another plain white shirt because again, basic. So I got this white shirt, 450 rupees, totally worth it. The cotton is pretty good as well. Then I got this t-shirt. Now this has a funny story. I somehow remember this being $12.99 and I was like $6.50, good price. And then I went to the counter and this was $7.99, so I got it for $400. I was like, pretty damn good price. So it's just a grey t-shirt which has a beautiful embroidery on it, like cute embroidery. I really like the embroidery, the gemstones and everything. They're really cute. They have different patterns going on them, so which I feel is so cute. So I got this one. Again, if not right now, I'll probably end up wearing this in the summertime. Oh, I also got this umbrella. It's a very beautiful, tiny, cute little umbrella. Another fun fact about my mom, she's freaking obsessed with umbrellas. She's obsessed with umbrellas, and she saw this and she was like, just get this build as well. I was like, Mom, really? And yeah, she got this. It's a very cute little umbrella, opens up to a nice size. It's very lightweight. This one was for 700 rupees. Has a beautiful rose print on it, which looks very Victorian, very Brit. So we got that. And then from Saket, I got more stuff. So we're done with CP. I'm just going to talk about Saket a little bit more first. From Saket, I also got 2 new phone cases because my phone really needed new phone cases. So I got it from Daily Objects. It's like just on the outside of Saket, like the Celebrity Walk Mall. So this was on a buy one get one free, so I was like, just grab. The first one looks like this. It's a golden glitter one and the glitter falls really prettily. Like, it's very pretty. They had a huge selection of phone cases, so I was so glad to find one for my phone because apparently no one carries it. And the other one has pink glitter in it. It's way more fine and it has tiny balls in it as well. So this is what the cover looks like, and then you just turn it around and swoosh, swoosh, swoosh. I really like both of these cases, and because I could get it on a buy one get one, I was like, what do I need in life? Covers. And how can I get them? On a buy one get one. Should I purchase them? Hell yes. So yeah, I always have these mental conversations with me whenever I'm purchasing something. Again, I'm weird. Okay, let's move on to Zara. These are not shopped online. I'm not collaborating with them. 2 of the things that I got in this haul are from Pacific Mall and the others are from the Saket Mall. So I'll just show you the Pacific Mall first. I went there with my friend. She shopped a lot. I just ended up shopping two things. So yeah, the first one is this skivvy sweater which just says style obsession, and it's plain. Other than that, it's just plain. Again, this is something I can wear and show on screen. Crazy, I know. So I got that. Then I got this plain white sweater, like the knit sweater, which is really loose fitting and just very comfortable. Oh, that's why I don't like white, because it just throws off everything. White balance is a real issue, guys. So this is what it looks like. This was for 790 rupees and it's very beautiful, very comfortable, very nice material. Again, I'm gonna wear this in my lookbook. I actually picked this up because I had a look in my brain which I wanted to do, so I needed this for that. So I got this. The Style Obsession top I think was for 990 rupees and it is available in all Zara's. I'm not sure about the online one, but yeah, it's for 990. Then I got a couple of things from the Select City Walk Mall. I got some t-shirts because I needed some home t-shirts. Again, outside, home, you know the drill, right? So this is the first one. This one was for 490 rupees. So it says my life is based on an authentic story, but some details have been changed. This is what it looks like. It's red in color. Really liked it. Really, you know, just again, the text just right place. Then I got this camo print t-shirt. Again, it was for 490 rupees. I really wanted a full-on camo print t-shirt. I've had t-shirts which have camo print on the pocket or on the center. Then I have a camo print hoodie, but I really wanted a camo print t-shirt. So I'm so happy that I finally got it. Again, it's a very loose, comfy, easy, breezy t-shirt. I really love pieces like that. Then I got this dress which was on an offer. So this was for 690 rupees. So I was like, just get it, girl, just get it. So this has a ruche detailing on the chest right here. So it has a ruche right here. It has 3/4 sleeves and it goes down, I think it goes well down below your knee because it has that midi dress kind of a feel to it. The color is grey, beautiful grey. So I cannot wait to wear it. Hopefully it fits me though, because I didn't try any of this. I also got a perfume. This is the Zara Femme perfume. This was for 390 rupees. I don't know why. I actually do know why, but I'm just saying, like the section just before billing, it has such cute things and I just end up picking so many things from there which I don't even need. I know why they keep it there, because it's like those snacks, those pre-meal snacks which you cannot like say no to. So it's like that, because they're just so like tiny. You feel like they don't harm you at all, but then you end up seeing your bill and you're like, oh, So you mean to say my one t-shirt costed less than the 10 nitpicks that I picked up? Fun fact, I actually wanted to buy all the variants in this roll-on. This is a roll-on fragrance if I haven't mentioned that already. It's a beautiful fragrance, and doesn't matter if I have 10,000 perfumes lying around my house already. I wanted it, so I got it. So yeah, it's a beautiful fragrance. I wanted to get all of them, but then I realized, Shreya, you've studied marketing and I thought you were better than this. Can you just have a little bit of self-control? This much, just this much. So then I ended up buying just one of it, which I'm really proud of that fact. The last thing in this haul is going to be something from Lulu and Sky. So I went to the Lulu and Sky store in Saket. I liked a lot of things in the store, but the fact that they had only one piece in everything. They also had like an up to 75% off sale. So yeah, they had just one piece in everything, and literally nothing had my size. Nothing had my size in it. Otherwise I would have ended up shopping for a lot more than what I had initially planned. So I ended up buying something that doesn't require my size, that is a wallet. I bought this because the wallet that I'm currently using is the one that I've been using for 3 years. Not even kidding you, 3 years straight. I did a giveaway on it as well like 3 years ago. It's a pineapple print wallet from Jibong. So yeah, I was like, it's time I changed my wallet. So I bought this one, got it from Lulu and Sky, and the price for this one was like 265 rupees. I was like, bill me. Like, you can't get such a cheap wallet, like a great quality wallet in this price range. This was originally also not that expensive. It was for 600 rupees, but 265 is just teensy meensy a lot better. And this is the style that I like in my wallets. I like my wallets to be this way so that I can open it up and I can have everything like on display. So yes, I'm gonna be upgrading my wallet finally after 3 years of using and just abusing and just completely nichodifying all of the money out of my wallet. So yes, that was my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you did, then don't forget to comment and subscribe. It would mean the world to me. Also, let me know if you'd like to see more fashion hauls. I would love to do them. Just any bahana to shop is fine with me. So yeah, let me know if you'd like me to do more fashion hauls. I would love to do them. And that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this again, and I will see you guys super soon. Till then, take care. Mwah. Bye.